All right, it is time for circle time. We're going to start off by saying the Pledge of Allegiance. So let's stand. We take our right hand, put it on our heart. Eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to my side, and I say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. All right. Going on, we're taking a look. Today is the 9th day of March. And we're going to figure out what day of the week it is by singing our song. Here we go. Days of the week. Days of the week. Snap, snap.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Day of the week.
This Sunday and this Monday, this Tuesday and this Wednesday, this Thursday and this Friday, and then this Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week. Let me hear ya.
Sunday and Monday. There's Tuesday and then Monday. There's Thursday and then Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
And today is Tuesday, March 9th, 2021. We have no school tomorrow because it is the 10th day. It will be the 10th day, but it's because it's a Wednesday. So let's see. We have to do our pattern. Remember, it's 3 of everything. So we have 3 hats. We have 3 clovers. We have 1, 2, but we don't have a 3rd hat. So we have hat, hat, hat. Clover, clover, clover. Hat, hat, hat. Well, what's going to be tomorrow? Clover. Because we already have 3 hats right here. Excellent. All right, we said it was going to be sunny today, and woohoo, you were right. It is sunny today.
And windy.
What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Let's put it in our prediction square.
Snowy.
Oh, it's kind of warm today. We're not wearing our heavy jackets. It's not very, very cold outside. So it's too warm to snow. What do we think?
Sunny.
Sunny again? All right. That means outside. That's great.
I like that.
What's that?
I like that prediction.
All right, let's say our alphabet together. Remember, we're not singing. We're saying each one. Here we go. A, B,
C,
D. Can't hear you.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Excellent. All right, before we get started verse for rhyme this week is row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. All right, what number is this? 8. 8 to me always looks like a snowman that's missing his head. So you can pretend there's a head up here, and here's the snowman's body. 2 circles. So if I make a snowman with Play-Doh, I do 1 circle, 2 circles, and the third circle. So it's just a little snowman body. So we have 8 squares. What about this number? 2. What is this one? 6. This one? Whoops. 10. What 2 numbers make up 10? 1 and a 0. All right, what number is this? 4. This one? 7. 4. What is that? 4. What shape is this? Square. What's this one? This one? 1. How about this one? 9. What color are my hearts? Pink. What number? 3. 5. And our letters. We've worked on the letter L, F, G, H, T, I. Eyes up here. U, C, magic C. O, Q, G. And this week we're working on S. The letter S. S sounds like a snake and it says. Can you put those hands together? Excellent. Oh, that's a good idea. So we have 4 things that start with the letter S. What is this? Salad starts with the letter S. Who's this guy?
Superhero.
Superman starts with the letter S. How about this guy?
Santa Claus.
Santa starts with the letter S. And these you might have on your feet today.
Shoes.
Not shoes. Socks. Socks. They all start with the letter S. All right, let's go ahead. We're going to get our mats out so we can practice making the letter S. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. This is the top. No, it's the bottom. This is the top. No, it's the middle. We're just pointing. Where do you start your letters at the top? Yep, those stay right there. Stand back, press the top. Good. Turn your body. So this is the body. Yeah. Reach up. Reach up to the top of your board. The top. This is the top. Reach down and touch the top. Reach down. Way down to the bottom. Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now we're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Ah. your letters at the top. Nice job. Please start your letters at the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. There we go. Touching the bottom. In the middle. All right. What letter are we making?
C.
S. Our pieces are at the top. Our pieces are at the top.
Are we touching?
Not yet.
Remember the two things we're learning. We're learning following directions and we're learning how to make a letter. Mrs. Mozingo did not say pick up anything, so they should all be at the top. Your hand should be in your lap. When you make the letter S, we have two little curves to make the letter S. We start off with our first little curve, and then we get our other little curve, and they touch, they connect to make the letter S. So when I make the letter S, it says little curve, little curve. What sound does S make? As it's the snake. All right. So right now we're going to grab our little curve and we're going to put it at the top. And that little curve is a tiny magic C. One little curve on our mat. Do we have both little curves? No. That's showing we're using our listening ears. One little curve at the top. One little curve at the top. What shape is this? What letter is this if it were a little bigger? What is this letter? Magic C. Except we shrunk it down. So here we are using the magic C again, except it's a small magic C. We took another magic C and we had to flip it around and we put it on our mat to make the letter S. Go ahead and put your other one on there. That other little curve. We have to put it backwards so they touch. Now we have two little curves. Two little curves make the letter S. All right, hands in lap. Listening ears are on. Inside voices are off. My turn. Hands in lap. Listening ears are on. Inside voices off. My turn. Little curve. Little curve. One more time. My turn. Watch how my hand goes as I say the words. Little curve. Little curve. Okay? I'm not doing this. Little curve. Little curve. No. I say one curve. Little curve. And then when I'm saying the next word, my hand is doing it. Little curve. All right. Try it with me. Fingers at the
Top.
top. And let's say it together. Little curve. Little curve. Wonderful. Let's try one more time. Fingers at the
Top.
and we say little curve, little curve. One more time. Fingers at the top. We say little curve, little curve. That time, perfect. All right. My friends at home, thank you for joining us for Circle Time. See you tomorrow or Thursday.